Hello, everyone. Mrs. Love wants to tell you about a fun opportunity that's coming up in February. And we here at Irwin are hosting a STEM fair. The STEM fair is your chance to show us how much you love to do experiments and to invent stuff. So you, as kindergarten, first grade, have the opportunity to choose to be an inventor and make something new to solve one of your personal problems, or you could do a science experiment, kind of like those little fun blast off science experiments that Miss Love does every Monday morning. You have your chance to be the scientist. Okay, so today, going home with you is your STEM fair letter. Okay, so your adult at home, whoever is taking care of you, can help you decide if you are going to be an inventor or if you are going to be a scientist. And then you are going to check your box, fill in your information, like whose class are you in, what's your question, those kind of things. And then you're going to bring it back to your teacher next week. And your teacher will give it to Mrs. Love, and then I will give you or tell you what to do next. There's a whole packet that's going to help you and your adult, whoever's helping you, okay, complete your project. And Mrs. Love has it all ready and waiting for you. I cannot wait to see what kind of inventions and experiments you guys are interested in and are choosing to do. Okay, so today, going home, in your folder is your letter. It's due back to Mrs. Love next week. You don't have to do this project. It's up to you. But it sure is fun to be a scientist. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Enjoy the rest of your day.